Welcome to the channel, boys and girls. Welcome to the Reading Street, read aloud with Mr. Carter. Please click that like and subscribe button below. On this channel, I'll be reading great books by great authors and great illustrators to you every week. Disclaimer, I do not own the rights or content to any of these books read on this channel. It's time to have some fun. Let's get started. Welcome back to Reading Street, boys and girls. And today we have another great book for you by another great author. And today is for my young listeners. We're going to be working with alphabet sounds. Isn't that awesome? So today's book is entitled Dusty's Awesome Alphabet Sounds by Deborah Napoleon. So let's get started. A is for Africa. A is also for apron. B is for butterfly. C is for carrot. C is also for circle. D is for dinosaur. E is for egg. E is also for eagle. F is for fish. G is for guitar. G is also for giraffe. H is for heart. I is for infant. I is also for ice cream. J is for jacket. K is for kitten. L is for ladybug. M is for mushroom. N is for 9. O is for octagon. O is also for oval. P is for pentagon. Q is for question. R is for rhombus. S is for star. T is for 10. U is for umbrella. U is also for unicycle. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. X is for box. X is also for xylophone. Y is for yellow. Y is for happy. Y is also for sky. Z is for zero. The end. Now that was another great book by another great author. And those alphabet sounds were great. In this great book, you may have noticed that some letters of the alphabet make more than one sound. They can be divided into two groups. The first group of letters are called vowels. The second group of letters are called consonants. Now here's an activity for you and your family and friends to do. This author also has a coloring book edition of this book we've read today, which is awesome. So if you'd like to purchase this book or the coloring book, please click on the link below. Also in the description box, you'll find out everything else this great author has to offer on Instagram or on YouTube. Thanks for listening, and I can't wait to read to you again soon. Bye-bye.